how to install Bing.com as a default browser in Google Chrome. So to do that, the fastest way is just just go to Microsoft Bing, search for Chrome, Google extension, and then you just need to install it like this. And then yeah, just I think, and then all your searches will be displayed here in the bin. You instantly see two pop-ups, Bing and Google fighting with each other. Like, change it back to Google search. The Microsoft Bing extend change search to use Bing.com. So you can decide to keep it or change back to Google search. And yeah, so that's what you can do. Basically, also, if you install this default search to Bing.com and you sign up for the whitelist to access this ChatGPT, you will move faster in this whitelist and you will have access to ChatGPT being faster. So just decide what you want to use, and there you have it.